Okay, we're making a little different design of stove today, an alcohol stove. This is a metal drinking bottle got from the dollar store, and I've cut 4 little slots in here, and you'll see what that's for after a while, to let the alcohol drain to the inside of the wall. And I've put this little jig together. It's just held together by clamps, just so I could hold it like this and take my Sharpie and hold it in place while I turned it, just to put a mark all the way around, and that way it's the same size on both ends. Then I scored it with a coping saw with a little metal blader. You could use a hacksaw, or if you got a bandsaw you could use that. But now I'm going to saw these apart, and I ain't going to bore you with watching my sawing abilities, but I'm going to saw through this and then we'll come back and put it together. Okay, I cut through these and removed this center piece, and that's what you end up with, but they're equal heights. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one, which I've already cut an X in here, just deep enough to let the alcohol seep through. I'm going to stick them inside and drive it down with a wooden or a rubber mallet. I guess a wooden would work. If you ain't got one, just use like a block of wood and a regular hammer. You don't want to hammer straight onto this aluminum, you'll bend the hell out of it. Taking my time, give that aluminum a little time to stretch. Ain't wanting to split the side of it. Almost there. Okay, we fitted our can together here just by turning it over and beating it down with the rubber mallet. I'm going to put the pilot holes in here to allow the gas to come out, and I'm going just below where the lip is in here, just below it. You can see the indentation, but this has got green paint on it. It's not very visible for you, but it's pretty simple to see. And I'm just using this block of wood because it measures just barely below it, and it makes the drilling really stable. I'm going to put holes all the way around here. I'm not being exactly precise. Most people put 16, and I'm using a 1/16 drill bit here. And that's just about all there is to it. I'm trying to keep them pretty evenly spaced, but I'm not going to be too particular with it. I clean that up just a little bit, but just to get some of these shards off for the moment. I go ahead and sand this down if I want to take all the paint off. I'm just trying to make this as fast as I can. And I'm going to put me a little heat in here. Maybe about 2 ounces. It's about all you need to cook a can of soup or something small like that, or boil a couple of cups of water. I'm going to use my little mess kit. I do need to get me a little better lighter, man, for this. That's going pretty good. I don't know if you can't see them flames, can you? Kind of hard to see out here. Make sure they ignite on the sides. Can't see nothing out here, man. It's a good, little better to do indoors. Kind of hard to see out here. Boy, it's hotter than hell though, man. I'll probably bring me a balloon next time to show them just how damn hot this thing is. It's about as simple as it gets, though. I think it's going pretty good now. I just don't know if this damn wind's gonna get me or not. Now that's perfection there. I'm gonna leave this damn thing on and let it boil really good. The wind, if I don't get a good gust of wind here, be a good idea to use some kind of a windbreak, but I ain't got one. Well, that damn thing is sturdy as hell though. Real tough aluminum. You can see that thick walls. Get them from the dollar store. Little water bottle. And you can clean them up, like I say, and make them look really fancy if you want. But yeah, you can see how quick that thing is boiling. And that damn thing will burn for about 10 minutes on about 2 ounces of alcohol there. Shit, you can fry fish on that damn thing. Shit, I gotta turn this some bitch around. That wind's getting me, man. Well, it's taking the windstorm out here, so it's staying lit pretty damn good. Ah.